Now here is the entire news that is coming in from Maharashtra after the uneasy late night truce that was called in yesterday by intervention of Maharashtra Chief Minister. We given to understand that now only few doctors are planning to join work. That means that even after the Medical Association of Maharashtra for resident doctors has asked its members to join the duty, not all doctors have joined. Hospitals are yet to give an exact figure, but Maharashtra Association of Resident Doctors has said its individual level strike, which is not under our banner anymore. They requested resident doctors to resume their duty. The doctors have been complaining about unsafe work environments. In fact, even Chief Minister of Maharashtra had appealed to them. He had spoken about this in the southern as well. But the Indian Medical Association is going to also decide about the strike after meeting the Chief Minister. Remember, 40,000 doctors under the Indian Medical Association across the state are on strike as well. Today, they have sought the Chief Minister's appointment by 2 p.m. By 11, we are expecting to have a picture clearer whether all resident doctors come back to the government office or not. For now, Full-Time Medical Teacher Association is also expected to clear its stand about strike after the meeting at around 2 p.m. That's when all the stakeholders will be meeting the Maharashtra Chief Ministers. But not all doctors resuming duty is what we're given to understand this morning. Only few will be joining in. My colleague Mayuresh is joining us this morning. Mayuresh, take us through if there would be a relief for the patients today or the medical crisis continues. What are we seeing in Maharashtra?
Right now, the situation is quite confusing because having a word with most of the deans of Mumbai hospitals of Sikran and state-run, they are saying that not all the doctors have joined. Few only joined. There are 4,000 doctors, resident doctors in Mumbai, in civic and state-run hospitals. We had a word with IMA, that is Indian Medical Association Maharashtra Unit Chief. He said that they are meeting Maharashtra CM. The point is that yesterday, MARD, that is a medical has a written letter to their members to join their duty, but also they said that it's an individual strike. It's not a strike called by MARD. So we don't have any right to call off the strike, but we are requesting our fellow and colleagues to join the duty. So MARD has clearly put a ball in the court of all the doctors at the individual level that if they feel that they should join and if they are happy with the assurances given by Maharashtra CM and Maharashtra government, then they can join, or otherwise they can take their call. Even on second hand, that Medical Teacher Association, who's got 1,200 teachers as a member in Mumbai, they are also saying that right now we are not operating OPDs, we are only conducting medical services, and after the stringent laws get implemented and we get something on the ground, not the verbal assurances, then only we will be joining back.
So what we're given to understand is that Maharashtra Association of Resident Doctors has said that we are no longer, the strike is no longer under our banner. But what about the Indian Medical Association doctors, Mayuresh, around 40,000 of them, when they will be meeting the Chief Minister? Are they also saying that we have called off the strike, or they will be deciding after the meet with the Chief Minister?
Today they have sought appointment of Maharashtra CM, and we have been given to understand that by 1:30 or 2 o'clock, they will clear their stand that what exactly happens in that meeting, because they said what exactly happens in the meeting, it's a crucial. If we get a concrete assurances and the implementation as soon as possible, we will be certainly thinking on the positive notes, because even we don't want to go on a strike and we don't want patients to be suffered.
All right, Mayuresh, thanks for joining us. So continues, the strike continues, it seems. Partial strike though, because we've seen that Maharashtra Association of Resident Doctors has said from our end the strike has ended. These are individual doctors who've not reported to work this morning. We'll have to wait and watch how the Indian Medical Association doctors, what they would be deciding. But for now, there is a partial strike, we can say, that continues in Maharashtra of the resident doctors. Moving on.